Hello guys. In this video I will show you how to make an online multiplayer FPS game in Godot engine. In this tutorial you will learn about how to make the basics of a first-person shooter and the server client system. So let's start. Open Godot engine and start a new project. Choose a name for the project. Create project folder and choose where it will be saved. Before we start, please like, subscribe, click the bell to get notified for new videos. Join my Discord server and the server of my game. Help my work by donating in PayPal, and become a Patreon. Thanks. This is the main environment. To make the main map, click the other nodes and choose node. Name your map. I named it map, but you can give whatever name you want. To start a new scene, click the cross. Open nodes list and choose kinematic body. Add a mesh instance node to design the avatar. For now, avatar will be a capsule. On the other tutorial I will show you how to load a real model. Now load a collision shape. Collision shapes are important in order the player move to floor and collide with the walls. Also, it is important in order to hit other players in FPS games. Load a camera. This is used to view the game environment. And now spawn a new mesh instance for the weapon. Edit its transform. Under weapon node, spawn a position node in front of it. We will use it in order ammo bullets spawn in front of the weapon. Okay, all it seems well. Save player scene. I will save it inside a folder named it player. One useful tip: you can load different scenes inside other scenes. On single player games developers load player scene inside the map immediately, but on multiplayer games you need a code in order to load more player instances. For now I loaded player instance for some tests. So let's code our player. Click this strange button. Before you make a new script, this window opens. Here are the languages Godot engine supports. We gonna code using GD script. Kinematic body is the class name of the node we implement the script on. Select where to save the script. At the beginning we initialize three main variables: speed, jump force and sensitivity, including integer values. Of course, you can set float value. To make nodes and script interacting we need onReady variables. Make an onReady variable for the camera. Get _node method, find the node inside the nodes tree and save it inside the onReady variable. In the case of system not find that node, inside the onReady variable sets a null value. _ready is a built-in function and it is called only on the first frames when the script executed. Also _physics_process is a built-in function but it is called on every frame while script is running. _process does the same work. _unhandled _input and _input is built-in functions and it is called when system captures a key button or mouse activity. In Godot engine there are an excellent feature for keyboard buttons. Instead of make a code to capture what button is clicked and do the relative actions, you can open input map panel and define some names for every button that is clicked. What is the use of that feature? You will see on the continue. Okay, now initialize other two variables: gravity and velocity. Inside the first one set an integer value and on the other one a vector 3 value. Vector 3 is a built-in value for interacting with 3D axis. It takes three number values. The first one is for x-axis, the second for y-axis and the third for z. To make the camera rotating you need a code inside _input function. The code below will be executed when system captures a mouse motion activity. When you drag your mouse on y-axis, player is rotating right or left. When you drag your mouse on x-axis, player camera rotates up or down. So, let's test it. Save the map and run it. The problem is that we can view the mouse icon. By writing this line you hide the mouse icon. Now we have to make player moving. Optionally, I made a new variable named direction and I set a vector 3 value on it. Now, we need to use the input map. Inside an input action named move_forward we define the W keyboard button. When the button clicked we increase the z-axis inside direction variable by the speed value. Same thing goes for move_backward. move_right and move_left input map actions. A lot of developers in Godot use two variables for the movement. For example, I initialized a global variable named velocity and a local one named direction. By default we make the movement code like this. So now, normalize the direction variable. After that inside velocity variable set the value of direction variable. Godot have got a lot of built-in functions like this below. Move_and_collide is made inside kinematic body class. Inside that function we set the velocity variable with the rotated function in order player moves to the axis which depends on its y-axis rotation. In a few words, we say to the player moves forward, backward, right, or left no matters how much he is rotated. It doesn't works well. Just change the axis values below the keyboard actions. Now it works great. The last thing you have to do is to make player jump and fell from the space. So, I initialized a new variable named vertical velocity. By using the command move_and_slide player will use this variable in order move up or down until he capture a collision. This is how gravity in Godot games works. As we can see, player jumps and falls from the world. It doesn't jumps a lot because I set a low value inside the jump force variable. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, click the bell to get notified for new videos. Join my Discord server and the server of my game. Help my work by donating in PayPal, and become a Patreon. Thanks. Bye.